Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
The main chemical in most cough syrups is dextromethorphan, DXM. It's a widely used antitussive, cough suppressant, that helps reduce coughing associated with colds and flu. For coughs caused by irritation or those that are dry and unproductive, DXM can provide significant relief. However, it's important to follow the dosage instructions carefully and consult with a healthcare provider if the cough persists or is accompanied by other symptoms, such as fever or shortness of breath.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.